Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both accounts. Make sure your Google account is active and you have the App Store apps installed. Once done, open Safari or Chrome and go to Play. Google.com, then sign in with Google. This gives you access to purchases and the store interface. Make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and that the Google apps you installed can access network and storage. Now browse the store or your library to locate the item you want to use on iOS. Next, buy or redeem the content on the Google Play website. Buying on the web ensures purchases attached to your Google account. After purchase, open the matching Google app on iOS. For books, open Google Play Books. For movies, open Google TV. For music, open YouTube Music. And sign into the same Google account. Then use the Apps library or sync controls to refresh and download the newly purchased items. This step moves the content from the Play web store. Finally, open the downloaded item inside the Google app on your iPhone and choose Play or Download for offline use. Make sure the app has required permissions. If you want a bigger screen, use AirPlay or a Chromecast-capable device from within the app. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to sign out of the Google app and website, update the app to the latest version, and sign back in. Also confirm your internet connection and retry syncing to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.